Well, I thought I'd make a quick video about me finishing up my semester here. I just took my last test for water resources engineering. That test kind of kicked my butt. But that class kind of covers stuff like hydrology, water flow from rain in ditches, the pipes underground and so forth. Kind of touched up on that. There was a lot in it. I kind of hope I take another course like it, because it covers that type of stuff, because I'd love to learn more about it. And I also took an advanced geotechnical class. We talked about soil samples, learning how to test soil samples. That would have been a great class with a lab, but we just kind of learned academically what that looks like. And covered a lot of stuff like clays and silts and sands and how they affect strength and cohesion and permeability and different stuff like that. It was fun. And then I also had a water quality, which is cleaning the water, how they do coagulation and flocculation and stuff like reverse osmosis and activated carbon and sedimentation filters. And it was also very interesting. It got very technical also. But I'm done with all those classes. I know that my water quality class, I got an A in the exam, so I think I'll get an A in the class. I haven't gotten my results back from my geotech, and I just finished my advanced water resources. Hopefully A's or B's. Love A's. If I could get them, that would look better. I plan to take one course over the summer while I teach in a students program teaching physics. I'll take another class. Well, I'm teaching physics for kids. I'm gonna take a class on open channel flow, like ditch flow, water channels and ditches and irrigation, I guess would be kind of the stuff for that. And then I'll have 4 classes that I'm going to push for over the fall. One of which is going to be an independent study. I'm going to focus on the flood event that happened here in the valley at the end of March. And I'm going to see if I can interview people and look at drainage districts and see what they're doing to shift, to change with all that flooding that happened. So I'm real excited about that. That's going to be part of my technical report and an independent study. So I'm really looking forward to that. I've never done something like that, so I'm excited. And hopefully I can learn a lot, and hopefully it can even lead into a career direction, is what I'm hoping. But I'm done with my classes. I've got 1 in the summer, 3 plus a big report over the fall, and then I will have my master's in civil engineering. One thing that did happen is I passed my FE, so I am an engineer in training officially by the state. I'll have a license number and everything. But that is so that I can work under professional engineers for about 4 years and take a professional exam, and then I could be certified as a professional engineer. And I'm excited about that. I want to go into water resources, the flooding issues. It's really where I'd like to focus on. And hopefully I can get my PE in that direction. I can take the PE before I ironically do all the work and training under PEs. So I might start studying for that and take it sometime in 2026. Hopefully, we'll see. We'll see how that goes. I don't want to wait too long, else I'll start forgetting things that I'm learning in college and it won't be as fresh. So I really want to get it done next year. But those are the exciting things that are happening academically for me. Yeah. Thanks for checking in with me. Bye.